Polkadot's price has already risen over 35% from the last low, but will Polkadot be able to continue the bullish trend, or do we see a larger retracement to the downside? In this video, I'll talk about Polkadot and show my price prediction for the future. Before we get started with the content, join my free Telegram group. I share daily analysis of Bitcoin, Polkadot, and all other cryptocurrencies there. First link in the description. First of all, Polkadot is currently ranked 14th among all cryptocurrencies by brand from $10.6 billion. Polkadot is a fundamentally strong project and we see high potential for this bull run. And looking at the weekly chart, we can see that we have broken the bearish trend upwards. That means from this supply zone, we have seen a bearish trend. See? And then we were able to see a bullish push from this demand zone and order block. We were first rejected at this supply zone again, but then managed to leave this supply zone upwards. And thus, we have seen a first weekly candle close above this supply zone, which is a very bullish sign. However, after this high, after these candle wings, also saw a larger retracement to the downside and just tested this order block. However, this structure looks very bullish here because we saw a bullish push from this order block. Then formed a higher high and then reached subpages again, which reduced liquidity. Have taken out below this low, tested this order block and then seen bullish price action upwards. And with these wicks, we've seen that a good amount of liquidity has been scooped up, allowing us to continue this bullish push upwards. On the daily time frame, it's visible that we've also held this demand zone up to this wick and that we have formed a slight upward structure here, and now the chance is extremely high that we can see higher prices and can continue the bullish trend upwards, especially if we break the last high here towards the upside. Because from this last high, this bearish and push, a break-off structure to the downside was seen, it's now important that we break this high to the upside, because then if we get the bullish confirmation that we can continue the bullish trend, and if we can continue these bullish upward movements, then the next interesting target would be this last, peaked at $11.90. And if we just reach over this high once shortly and then get a bearish push downwards, then I would definitely take partial profits from my position, because then there's a chance we'll see a larger retracement. However, if we break above this last high at the closes above this last high indicate bullish acceptance, find, then the chance is high that we might see higher prices. See? And then the next bullish price target here would be this high at $23.85, because we, again, from this high here, we've seen a massive sell-off. And this peak was the state of this extreme movement. And from the current prices to this peak, we have a potential of over 220% for Polish. But for Polkadot, it's also crucial how Bitcoin is doing, and if we can continue this bullish trend on the upside for Bitcoin and see new all-time highs, then the chance is also extremely high that we will see higher prices for Polkadot. Another bullish scenario would of course be if Bitcoin accumulates and we see a sideways phase, but for that, the Ethereum Bitcoin chart breaks out upwards, meaning Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin. Because if Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin, the chance is extremely high that altcoins will also rise and we will see an altcoin season. This means if we break this trend line upwards and find acceptance, then the chance is of course also extremely high that we see higher prices for Polkadot. And if you don't want to miss any signals, then join my exclusive signal group. I share real-time trading signals, crypto spot buys and sales, and share my strategy insights. Second link in the description. In summary, I am very bullish on Polkadot right now. I think it's a great project with extreme potential for this bull run. I would only become bearish if we see a break to the downside. Especially breaking this orange marked order block to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we'll see lower prices. If we can't break this and only see another dip into this liquidity, then I think the chance is high that we can continue the bullish transfer on the upside. And for specific trade entries, I'd either wait until we can continue this bullish trend and then enter into a higher low. Or if we see another sweep of this liquidity here and bullish price action on the smaller time frames, then I would get into these areas, especially in the spot portfolio, and then wait until we see higher prices and can continue the bullish trend upwards. So folks, thanks for watching. I wish you success in trading and see you in the next video.